So this absolute disgrace is the current state of my shop, after a summer of events and wars and afterworlds and all of that. Projects that got started and never finished in heaps and piles of fan mail stuff that I don't know where to put because there's no room. I need a bigger space. I'm working on that. Feel free to, help with that. Anyway, you get to watch me clean my shop, because why not? Sounds like fun. This is going to take forever. Onward! Hello in YouTube land. Alright, this is actually post-mod party after a little bit of cleaning, and while there is still some organization that needs to happen, especially here in my personal stuff corner, and there's cleaning that still needs to happen on the workbench, obviously, as you can see, and this back corner is still kind of a lost cause. It's stuff that still needs to be worked on, but it has now gotten to a point where I can actually work in here again. It had gotten so bad that I just didn't even want to come out here. And luckily, having the mod party gave me the incentive to actually get it cleaned up, and it clearly worked, as evidenced by the fact that this is the 4th video that I've uploaded today. I actually filmed more, but they will be uploaded later. There's some issues out here that still need to be taken care of as far as long-term storage. Some of the stuff up here needs to get culled. There's some stuff up here that's left by a friend that needs to get dealt with, and then up here in the attic there's definitely work that needs to get done because there's space up there that I could move a lot of this stuff that's being long-term stored up there. Stuff that's in box that's not going to get opened anytime soon. Stuff like that. But finally getting videos, good videos again, getting some science videos before the weather goes completely to heck here in the Pacific Northwest. It's damp, as you can actually probably hear the rain coming down. It will do so until June. But a lot of what's back here are actually blasters that were sent to me for diagnostic and repair, or stuff for upgrades, or stuff for K-26, and I'll be going through that and getting all of that cataloged and organized, and a lot of those videos filmed ahead of time so that I can upload them now and start sending stuff back to people. I've got a couple of neat commissions that I'm working on, and then I will, once I get them done, I will start going through commission requests and accepting new ones. So if you've sent me a commission request and I haven't gotten back to you, it is because I am currently booked, but I am working through the backlog. I need a bigger place. This place has gotten too small, but that's happening. I am working on that. I'm saving up for the down payment for my own place with a worker space is going well. I've looked at places. There are plenty of places available. Now it's just a matter of getting the rest of the down payment, which is, like I said, going well. If anyone wants to contribute, there are links in the description. Otherwise, just keep watching my videos, and the ad revenue is going towards that, as well as me saving from my real job. And it will happen, and I'm really looking forward to it. Until then, I will just continue to organize and reorganize and find ways to save space and make space and all of that. So I think I've blathered enough. I'm sure anyone who actually watched this whole video has as many issues that I do. But it was a lot of fun. I do find cleaning to be very therapeutic, and the end results are wonderful. So stay tuned. There will be more videos. I will be getting this science video done. I will be getting this build video done. I will be getting the upgrades to tier done. And then I've got a big personal project that I'm hoping to have done by the end of the year. So I need to get started on that. So stay tuned. More bulletins as events warrant. Thank you for watching.